So hi Babu, how are you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I'm also doing well. Great. Tell me something about yourself, Babu. We are meeting first time.
My name is Adishri Shrivastava and I study in class 4B. My school name is Jeevan Mark Surface Secondary School and I live in UP. My hobby is to draw and make crafts. I have three siblings. This is all about me.
Okay, what's your name? I forget.
Adhishri.
This is Sri. Okay, that's good. You have given short introduction. So where are you from? You?
I'm from UP.
UP. Which part of UP?
Devaria.
Kevadia. Oh, nice. So would you like to know about me also?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, good evening to you, Babu. My name is Rajiv Kumar. I am from Bihar district in Sitamarhi, and if I talk about my qualification, I have done primary and secondary qualification from my hometown. Right now, I am pursuing engineering from South India. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. What's happened?
So, like, you live in Bihar.
Yeah, I am from Bihar, but now I am living in South India.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you want to ask any question, you can ask me.
Okay, I will ask you. Otherwise, you have questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will ask you.
You can ask, after that, I will ask.
Okay. So why do you learning this language? First question is related to your English language.
I was interested in this language.
Any future plan about this language? What?
Being an IS officer and also being an English trainer.
Okay, that's a good dream in your life. Oh, nice. So uh, why IS officers? Why not another job?
Like from the small, when I was small, as I was passion. I like whenever I see any IS officer, so I think I will be also like an IS officer. I also want a big house. From that, I started learning and speaking English also, and also I just started studying very hard. And my goal is what it was that when I was 3 years old, I started this goal and I'm working on it right now.
Not
I'm 9
right.
now,
Which class you are standard? Which standard you are right now?
class class fourth.
Class four. So you are not a young lady, a young girl. So you are think that you are saying like I'm a childhood, my dream. So you are also now child. Don't think that you are like a 10, 12, 15 years old like that. So in this age, you have this much that dream. Wow, this nice, amazing. So how is climate there right now?
Can you please pardon?
How is weather right now there?
The weather is sunny.
Sunny. Okay. So nowadays, how have you been going on your life?
It's good.
It's good. So my next question to you. So have you seen you are studying government school or private school right now?
Private.
Private. So have you ever went to you government school or not?
Yes.
So what are the difference between private school and government school? Tell me something.
Like private school is just like English medium. It is like there we like the teachers and we talk in English, but and the government school is just like an Hindi medium school.
Only this much difference. What about the study facility there?
Both study are good. Both studies are the same. Just they are like different. One is in English and one is Hindi medium.
In the government school, they are teaching you as much that in private school they are teaching like that. You are not
Yes.
teaching you, but it's not all the place is same. The very few place the government schools they are teaching, but in no not for all the places. Do you know?
Yes.
So one more thing, so if you go in government schools, you will eat something food also there. In private schools given to you, food or not.
Private? No.
Yeah. So what are the things you can tell me difference? Lots of things. Lots of things are
There are
there. You can
lots.
tell me. Yeah, you can tell me something difference. You have to speak something.
Like in private school, there are benches,
Hmm.
but just like in government, there are rare Hindi medium schools that are having benches. Rare, very rare.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Hmm. I don't know too much difference.
See, too much difference you don't know. There are lots of things. You can just image that. Image your mind. Give your mind pressure. What are the things there? Government schools, how many teachers are there? In private schools, how many teachers are there? And in government schools, how many madam and there are there are
See,
there?
only
Uh,
in the government school, I've just seen it. Like whenever I'm going to my car, I just see in government school, but I've never get give get inside in that.
you never inside that. So you when you get free one day time, you should go inside the classroom. How is they are going on the study and everything? You can go and ask all the student, okay, and teacher also. Sir, I wanna take class. Can you give me time? Okay. And if you go in, if you get chance to go government school, like you will get the chance for 26 January and 15 August. Also, so many days there are festival in government school. So you can go. Yeah, you have a friend. Do you have friend or not? What
Yes,
happened? Do you have friend that a friend study in government school?
yes,
So go with her, go with him, or go with her. Whatever you have friend, go to with her, him, and after
not
that you can
government. Sorry, not government. From my private school.
private school. Okay, so in your area, in your hometown, so many students are there, boys, girls are there. So they are all are studying in government school in your
No,
house behind.
nobody.
Nobody. Okay, that's why. So you are lucky, girl. Your parents given you lots of freedom to do and these things. But I did not get this much chance to study in the private school and everything. So you
Like
are very lucky.
from
I study.
childhood, you have not studied in private school.
No, even one class, even one day I did not go there. Yesterday I was study fully up to 0 to 12th class, Hindi medium, local government school. See, so you are very lucky. Your mother and father they are teach you there. They will make you to study in private schools. That's good, nice. So which board you are studying? CBSE board or ICC board?
ICSE board.
Oh my God, you're the top level, not CBSE
In
and
my school,
ICC.
in my school, and just in my class, the student of the like uh, Divya Mittal's child.
Mhm.
Divya Mittal is an IAS officer. Her child studies in a school and in a class only.
Oh my God, his father, yeah, his
No,
mother, hmm.
yes,
His mother. Oh
hers
my
mother.
God.
She's a girl. She's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl. Oh, okay.
One
Her
studies in
mother.
class fourth. One studies in class fourth in my class only, and one studies in class third.
That's why you have get so much idea and inspiration from him, yeah, from her. That's why.
She Divya Mittal is having two girls.
Okay, that's good. Nice. One of my brother also, my uncle son in Delhi, they are also study in ICC board, but the few reason, but they did not. Right now, they are not studying, but in up to 5 class they study. But again, they are studying in ICC board. But this board is, I think, very tough compared to other board. And I think this board, I think your mother and father are spending too much money compared to other board. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, yeah. That's I know little bit because my brother also. study in Delhi few years. They send it to me. They told me कि I am spending that much money for IC board. In they have different state, different money you have to spend. Delhi is more, in UP less, and if you go Mumbai side, you have to spend more than Bihar, UP. State more than you have to spend their money. Difference of different state. If you go Bangalore side, in if you the student they are studying in ICC board, more than you they are spending money there. If you are spending their 10,000 money per month, they are spending their 15,000 and 20,000 like that money, because their state is very costly compared to UP, Bihar, and Delhi.
So how do you spend your time?
How I spend my time?
Time.
Actually, see, my you want to know my daily routine? Okay. So right now, today is Sunday, so I came in ground, and I always, if the Sunday is there, so I used to come ground. There you can see background is green, 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 behind me. And I woke up today 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. After I fresh and took lunch, took breakfast, and after that I study something. Then after I come back to ground and just practice. I did practice English and other things also. And after that I went again 12 o'clock for lunch. After that I ate lunch and then stay room 1 2 hour, 1 to 2 hour. Then after that again come back here ground and a little bit study, and I slept also there. Today 1 hour slept here 1 hour because I feel like sleepy. I was feeling like a sleepy. That's why I slept there today. And after now I wake up.
I
You
was
can,
also sleeping right now. I've just woken up. It has been 10
so this is
minutes.
me too. Also, just woke up. I thought, who is there? I want to do practice, but no one is there. Then I started my YouTube and practice doing a practice. If someone is not there, then I practice alone. I and you can see my face. My face just I wash my one. I have one bottle water, but it's not in a. This is not my home to wash my face, wash and apply shampoo and whatever the things. I look like a clean, but there is nothing is there. Just wash your hand, wash your face with water only. So then after that, I staying there. I will go there. I will be go there from there, 7 o'clock, and stay hostel. But if I talk about Monday to Saturday, my daily routine, uh, 9 to 5 o'clock, my college going on. College going on 9 to 5 o'clock every day, and after that, I will be do something college work and sometimes doing conversation. But all of the times, I'm the only stay in the college. 9 to 5, study, study, study only.
So, like, what do we spell badam?
Badam. I forget that name. I don't know. That now I'm forget in English. Yeah, I forget what the name. That name
It
I forget
starts
right
with
now.
it starts with A.
Ese, Keshu. No, no, no. Keshu, I think. P. Yeah, I don't know. Forget right now. Tell me you.
Almond.
Man, yeah, I forget. I used to eat daily last 1 month, but right now I forget. See, right now I'm not eating every day. That's why I forget. If I eat, I called my mom, mommy, I give me these things. But I'm not living right now in my home. Actually, right now I'm living in the hostel, college hostel. So it's very difficult to stay in hostel there.
How your studies are going on?
Yeah, study is going on last year. I am the last year student. After next year, I will be qualify my engineering. I have done my engineering. I have only 1 year to do whatever I want to do anything in my life. So right now I'm in third year.
Okay, so what do you want to be in your life?
Actually, your mother asked to me. Who is told you? Who told you to ask
No,
this question?
I'm just asking.
No, I heard. That's why I'm asking to you. Okay, okay, no problem. Actually, I want to become a big businessman and millionaire and billionaire in my life. So these things.
Yes, yes, you
Hello,
see.
what happened? A billionaire and millionaire in my life after 5 years, 10 years. Because right now is nothing is there. First, I will do job whatever after my completing my engineering, and after that, I get some experience, and after that, I will open new company in my Bihar side in UP. Those who are workers and they are going from another state for doing job. I will provide the job him on state there. That is my dream.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
like, just you want to be an engineer.
Right now, I'm doing engineer. After that, I have completed my engineer like engineer. Yeah, I'm engineer. But I will open my new company in Bihar side and UP side. That is my dream to provide a
Okay.
job to not getting a job. Yeah, this is my dream. Job taking
So
is
now,
different. Job giving.
should we over the conversation?
Yeah, as you wish. Thank you so much. So are you YouTuber, Choti?
Yeah, sorry.
Are you YouTuber?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Me too. Also, you can send me your channel. I will support you. You should also support me. I will send you link. Okay.
My channel name is an Apri Shrivastava.
You can send me link. Okay. I will
Okay,
send to
okay.
you also my channel link. You should vote each other to subscribe there. Okay. I will follow
Okay.
you. You can also follow me. Bye bye.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.